how to backup unlimited data to Samsung Cloud with temporary cloud backup on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Reset. After click on Reset, you will see first option is Temporary Cloud Backup. And after click on Temporary Cloud Backup, click on Backup Data. So searching for data to back up. So after the process, so you will select apps and folders from here. So if you want to backup data, so after select apps, click on backup now and click on backup. So you will see preparing to backup data. Secure folder and keep screen on. You will see you will see 42.50 42.6% is data is backup. So few minutes later, data is backup. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can backup unlimited data to Samsung Cloud with temporary cloud backup on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.